Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do the comparing so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Roborock Qrevo S, basically the Elon Musk of vacuums. And on the right, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner. Think of it as the vacuum cleaner your grandma would approve of. So which one will suck more? Let's find out. Alright, let's talk price. The Roborock Qrevo S comes in at a jaw-dropping $799. I mean, for that price, it better cook me breakfast in the morning too. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC is a much more wallet-friendly $299. That's right, folks, for the price of one Roborock, you could get two ROPVACNICs and still have enough left over for a decent pizza night. So if you're balling on a budget, ROPVACNIC takes the cake. Or should I say, the crumbs. Next up, docking stations. The Roborock Qrevo OS boasts an advanced docking station with auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank. It's basically a spa day for your vacuum. Plus, it self-empties for up to 7 weeks. That's almost 2 months of not having to think about vacuuming. On the other side, the ROPVACNIC, well, it docks and recharges itself. That's about it. If you're looking for the full VIP treatment, Roborock is your guy. Let's talk suction power. The Roborock Qrevo S boasts a whopping 7,000 pascals suction. It could probably suck the soul out of your carpet. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC offers a respectable 4,000 pascals. Still good, but it's like comparing a Dyson to a dustbuster. So if you've got a lot of dirt to deal with, Roborock is the heavyweight champ. Now, on to mopping. The Roborock Qrevo S has dynamic dual-spinning mops that operate at 200 RPM. It's like having two tiny breakdancers cleaning your floor. Plus, it has 30 adjustable water flow levels. The ROPVACNIC, on the other hand, offers 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming with a 4-stage water adjustment system. It's like having a reliable but not so fancy handyman. So for those who want their floors shining like a disco ball, Roborock's the winner. Now, let's talk about their street smarts. The Roborock Qrevo S uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping technology. It's basically the Sherlock Holmes of vacuums, detecting and avoiding obstacles with precision. The ROPVACNIC also has a decent obstacle detection system, but let's be honest, it's more like your reliable but slightly clumsy friend. So if you don't want to find your vacuum stuck under the couch, Roborock wins this round. Finally, let's dive into app control and automation. The Roborock Qrevo S uses cutting-edge AI algorithms for smarter, stress-free cleaning sessions. It even supports multi-level mapping for up to 4 levels. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC offers multiple cleaning modes and works with Alexa and Google Assistant. It's like comparing a Tesla to a Toyota. Both get the job done, but one's just a bit flashier. If you're a tech geek, Roborock is your dream come true. When it comes to online reviews, the Roborock Qrevo S is highly praised for its powerful suction, impressive mopping capabilities, and advanced features. Reviewers love its ease of use and smart navigation, but have mentioned some issues with app connectivity. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner is celebrated for its affordability, strong performance, and versatility. Users appreciate its easy setup and quiet operation, making it a great value for the price. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for top-of-the-line features and don't mind splurging, the Roborock Qrevo S is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a reliable clean, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner is a solid choice. Either way, you're one step closer to never having to vacuum manually again. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart.